Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. My name is Thyanne Garcia. If you don't already know that, I will be showing another unboxing of Thrive Market. Okay, so now that seems really crazy because I only got a shipment from Thrive Market like 4 days ago and I loved it. I really do love it. I love the way they package everything, the way they do everything in their website. I ordered right away after I figured out that they opened up for orders again because they had so many orders that they're kind of delayed and they wouldn't allow us to buy anything until like just a couple days ago. So I ordered another package because I wanted a bunch of other stuff that they had. I was scrolling through their feed and I went to the keto diet area and I saw a bunch of stuff that I really wanted. So now I'm gonna do an unpacking for you guys, or unboxing. And this is the second order that I've ever had from Thrive Market. I am not sponsored for this video. And I just wanna show you guys again how great their package is. So here's their package. It says Thrive Market right on it. I'm not gonna read everything because I already read everything like last time. They're like 100% recyclable. It's a bunch of stuff. But they have a really good mission statement. If you don't already know that, they really want to help people and have healthier lives. So let's see who signed my box this time. So if you guys don't know already, the people who packed the boxes actually signed their names on it. And I got Dovey, packaged with love. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I'm serious. I love reading this stuff, but I'm not gonna read it again because my first video, if you want to watch it, it's gonna be right up here. Go watch and see what it's all about. And oh, looks like they have something new. I never saw this brochure on my first one. It looks like a big one, and it has like coffee, coconut oils, talking about it, and organic loose leaf tea. I'll talk about this in the future if you guys want me to. I didn't talk about my first brochures in my package that on my very first Thrive Market package. So here's some paper. You know, I was actually expecting this box to be bigger than the first one because I bought like 5 or 4 things on this package, and then on my first package there was three things, but it they filled it with like packing stuff. So let's see what's going on here. Oh my goodness. So this is one thing I'm really excited to show you guys that I got. It's a matcha latte. I love matcha. If you watch my first video, I kept talking about matcha, and that's one of the things I got. And I got cacao powder. Now I got cacao nibs on the first video, but I also wanted the cacao powder because I wanted something to blend to all my stuff. Sorry about my hair, but this is what I bought. It's from Divine Organics. I don't really know the brand. I don't know the brand of this one either. I'm actually just trying them out, but I will make a review of them in the future. Those two things. And this thing called ashwagandha. It's a superfood. I've been hearing so much about it from this one guy on YouTube. I don't know his name, but I would shout out what his name is. I just don't know it at the moment. I might put it in the description below. Come check it out. But ashwagandha, I've heard was really, really good for a lot of things. So I bought that. And I got myself some almond flour. So I actually got almond flour from Kroger or Walmart ones, and it was really, really good because it's healthy. It's like a good substitute for flour, especially when you're trying to be on a keto diet. I'm trying to be on a keto diet. I mentioned that on my first video again, but my efforts have been kind of wavy. So this is my almond flour just to help me out. And something that I'm really excited about is, again, for keto, oh my goodness, there's liquid in it. So there's this noodles that take the place of, it's like a no carb noodle. and it's made out of glucomannan. It's called konjac. Another name for it is konjac. And they call it the miracle noodle because when you make noodles out of them and stuff, it's like a good replacement for carbs. And instead of eating carbs, I'm having like noodles. They're actually also called shirataki. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I got the angel hair and a fettuccine type of noodles. I didn't know that they were going to be wet in the package. I guess that's different for me. I didn't know that they were going to be actually some kind of jelly or wet in the package. But we're going to try it out, so if ever I crave carbs or something, or like a spaghetti, I can just make it with the angel noodles that they have right here. And the very last thing that I bought is monk fruit. And monk fruit is a very good sweetener. It's like a very good substitute for sweetening. I've heard about stevia leaf and cane sugar and pure cane sugar, and I use agave and organic maple syrup for my sweeteners, but I'm not really too much into the cane sugar because I don't know entirely for sure if that's really that healthy, because it almost looks like just regular sugar, and except it's way better than granulized sugar. I'll talk about it in another video about what I use sweetening for my stuff. I want to start sweetening my stuff with medjool dates, but I haven't bought any, and maybe in the future I'll buy it. But this is the monk fruit sweetener. I'm gonna try it out. I didn't know it had erythritol. I'm not too sure about erythritol, if that's good or not, but I do know that the monk fruit is extremely sweet on its own. And the reason why sometimes they put erythritol is because it's gonna die down the sweetness a little bit, because it's so sweet that they have to, put stuff like that. But I actually wanted just plain monk fruit. I just wanted to see how it tasted like, and I know it's healthy and it has 0 calories, and it's a really good keto replacement for your sugars. So that's everything I got. I actually bought 6 things. I didn't notice that, but there's the almond flour, monk fruit, ashwagandha, the matcha latte, and cacao powder. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have the noodle packets, which has four packets in here. And yeah, so I'm really excited to do all of these. I'll talk to you guys about all of the types of foods that I have. Oh, I just noticed this was sweetened with monk fruit. But I will make a review on everything that I buy, especially the Thrive Market products. I'm really excited for them. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for me so you can get reminded on my videos. Thanks again. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. I really love Thrive Market, even though I only had 2 orders from them so far. And yeah, there's a link below for Thrive Market. I'm not sponsored. And if you have any videos that you'd like me to do, let me know. And that's it. Bye!